What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be playing Beast Swarm, and look at that honey go up. Like, it is insane. Like, nice. Like, I have so much. Basically, everybody right now, everybody, if you are a fan of Beast Swarm, go over to your codes, and I'm not even joking, this works. 1Mlikes, do that, and then you can be as rich as me. Yeah, my girlfriend just said it right there, right then and there. Use 1Mlikes. I'm not joking. This is freaking overpowered. You have to be in the group though, yes. That is what you need to do. You need to be in the group. Yep, go join it. Sadly, link will not be in the description. Oh, I also got a super smoothie. Guys, it is OP. Yep, 1Mlikes. Look at that! I'm getting 60,000 per second. Oh my god. Oh, guys, I have so much. Guys, this is super weird. Okay. Yeah. Basically, my girlfriend is looking at making a YouTube channel. So when she does put that out, go, subscribe to it. It would be, it would probably make her day. So yeah, just go on and do that when you can. And yeah. So basically, I will just keep this open and yeah, let's just collect some honey. Kennedy, you still there? Okay. 7 mil. Oh my god, my backpack holds so much. Oh my god, I have 36 mil honey. This is actually insane. Is this what pro YouTubers feel like? Like, I would love this feeling every day. Just log on to my 4 quintillion honey. How much? Guys, look how much this is. Look at... Huh? Okay, all my boosts are running out, but a cloud appeared, and I am getting so much more, guys. Okay. So, Kennedy had to go clean, so let's just enjoy, how much pollen we're making. Because, like, look at all this. Like, come on. No way I'm gonna be able to... No, but everybody down there, go to the Beast Swarm, like, Twitter page or Instagram or whatever. Just go over there, or all of them if you have all the apps. Just go over there and say, we want to use the code 1Mlikes infinitely. Like this is how you spell it. 1Mlikes. That code right there, guys. Because it is insanity. Like, insanity. Guys, we have to do it. Like, come on. No way I can play Beast Swarm without this code. infinitely, guys. So if you could, that would light up everyone's day here, probably. Look how much we're getting! Oh my god, guys! I'm literally going to puke because of how much stuff we have. Like, I mean, obviously that was a joke, but yeah, look at all this. Like, if you guys really like Beast Farm, I suggest this. Like, go over to their page and suggest this infinitely, because come on, who wouldn't? Like, come on, who wouldn't want this? Like, if you're really bad at Beast Farm, just use 1Mlikes, and then you could get really good one day. Like, really good. But this is only if you're really bad. Like, you could use this and get super good. But if you're the best Beast Farm player, obviously, it's gonna have a less of an effect on you. Like, look at this, 48 minutes in here, yeah, 8 more minutes. We can have fun till then, guys. Who doesn't like playing Beast Farm? Like, anybody out there who doesn't like playing Beast Farm. You are weird if you do not like playing Beast Farm. Especially with this code. Like, bruh, I really want to use this infinitely. Oh my god. Minus 1 ticket. 1 ticket isn't a lot. Like, bruh, I have 50 million. I think 1 ticket's a lot. I'll show them what's a lot. Like, I'm not even joking, I could get my Mondo backpack with how much this is giving me. Like, I could possibly get 100 mil. And then I could get, like, non-stop. Like, how much super speed did they give me again? Like, amazing. It's just millions upon millions upon millions upon millions. You guys get it. My brother doesn't. He hates Beast Farm. And who hates Beast Farm? Like, can we be honest for a second? Like, who hates Beast Farm? Oh my god, if I can find my field dice. Yes, okay, I got that boost again. So now, we can just keep going on forever. Like, I'm still getting these boosts. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually OP, so always get your boosts. These boosts are insane. Also, use the 1 cog. Bro, I'm literally about to get a mask with this. Like, I can get the honey mask with this, guys. And that mask I've been trying to get for a while. Like, a while now. So, if you guys really want to know how to improve, this is how you improve. Always use your codes. Always use your star codes in the item shop when you're purchasing some stuff. Hashtag anything, but And no, that's not actually a code. By that I mean you can literally use any code that you like kindly cans code, FGTV's code, any code. I don't care. Just use them because they help out the creators a lot. And yeah, I don't have a code yet, but I mean I'm looking to get a code. I really am, but. Yeah. Oh, okay. What about over here? All the way down here. Dude, all I need is 30 million more. And honestly, that's nothing. Oh my god, guys, this is absolutely insane. But like I was saying, it would mean a lot to the creators if you use their code, because through the pandemic they might be having some hard times. So if you could use their code, maybe they could get a little more money and buy themselves all that toilet paper. So yeah. But who would listen to the guy behind his computer all day? My god, I am just collecting everything. Bruh. Nobody is stopping me. Oh my god, all I need is 1 million. But seriously, use this code if you're new to Bee Swarm. You don't know what you would do. Like if you really just don't know, use this code and it will help you a ton. And by a ton, I literally mean this thing helped me out so much. And with the level I am right now, it's absolutely crazy, guys. So, yeah. You need pollen. Well, got myself some of that good pollen. Oh, 12 minutes! Oh. Fine, I guess I'll convert the boring way. So guys, if you are new and like watching people make really good content, go over here once in a while and there will be some new content posted. Also, if you guys want to know exactly when something's posted, just go over down to the link. Oh my god, I keep saying that. Just go on down and click that. If that subscribe button is red, make sure it's gray, because the gray stuff really helps me out. So if you could just make that gray, then that would be amazing. But once again, who would listen to the guy behind his computer all day? So yeah. Also, if you want to know what would happen if I didn't have this super smoothie, it gives me a lot of capacity. Actually, I'm pretty sure this thing's what's been giving me my capacity. Yeah, but this also helps a lot with capacity, and also it goes away in like 10 seconds. So if you want to know how bad I would be without this smoothie, here goes. 3, 2, 1, here. 4 million. I'm barely collecting. Well, actually, I'm collecting quite a lot, aren't I? love more super smoothies. Like, more super smoothies would be amazing. Bruh, I only got one. Is there anything in the shop that could give me more super smoothies? This one. How many super smoothies does this thing give me? 25? Bruh! That's freaking amazing! Oh. That could be helpful. Good guys. We have a problem. You see, I don't have that. I don't have 4,500 Robux to just be spending, bruh. So I guess it's back to the actually, didn't I get one? Yeah. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for this. But let's go over here. Yeah. Let's just cross out all of these. Not that one, because that's my Roblox. But I'm gonna see. Spider Hill code buff. Red Market, Pepper Patch, Copley. Traces 1 hour, 5 no wonders. Also, use this one. Okay, it's called 5M members. Okay. 5M members. Oh no, is that one not working anymore? Oh, wait a minute. Capitals. 5M members. Okay, never mind, it doesn't work. T-string. Bees buzz 1, 2, 3. No. Discord 100K. Why do these ones have like so much? 500 mil. I have all these. Five tickets. Oh, nectar. I already have all this stuff. Ticket. 25,000. Wax. I already did this stuff. So basically up here. Wink. 5 tickets. Black bear. Wink. Okay. We can try that. Wink, right? Yeah, okay, it gave me some stuff. Black bear morph. I need to get bee jellies so bad. I need to get these. How long does the morph stay? Does it stay the whole time? 347. Oh, swap. Oh, so when you get a full backpack, it leaves. Okay, I see. Okay, really need some instant converters. So, let's see if I can get some instant converters from these. Guys, I'm just gonna count on codes for the rest of my life. That's a really suspicious one. Number on its NPC's back. Oh, well. Secret profile code? Yeah, pass, shock speed jelly, oil buff, glue buff, enzymes buff. Not too good. That's gumdrops. Gumdrops. Sure. 30-minute conversion boost. The conversion boost can be really good. Micro converters, club converters. Okay. No, stop going over that. Club converters, correct? Club converters. Okay. Guys, codes are so simple these days. Club converters, and I'll give you the best stuff in the game. That's basically what I feel like. But seriously, I'm going to be getting a mask that I've been wanting for a long time. Just by doing this. Just by doing this. It's over here. Okay. So it's in through here. It's that one right there. Yep, 100 million. Oh! 5 gold eggs. Oh, frick. I don't have enough. Never mind. Oh my god. 50 enzyme! Never again. You betrayed me. You betrayed me. Disgusting. Okay. Maybe a different mask could help. Like, that one's very even. Oh, but I could be a blue beekeeper. Oh, but I kind of want to be a white beekeeper. Oh, never mind. The blue stuff is so expensive. I mean, I guess you have to start somewhere. Let's go over here. Well, you have to start somewhere, and that somewhere for me is for 100 million freaking mask. Dude, all of my stuff's just going away. Actually, you know what? I'm probably gonna roll a couple dice before. Okay, now I'm panicking. Yes! Okay. That's good. Pineapple patch, always good. Now, let's go over. 50 patch. 20. That is so much. Okay. Let's get the ones that are 30 mil. Dude, that's so much. Okay, never mind. Saving up for this? Bruh! Really? That's so good. Am I blind or something? Is that actually that good? Dude, I have 33 strawberries. Yes. Yes. Come on, bro. Fight me. Fight me, you stupid ladybugs. Fight me. Okay? Okay, now, all I have to do, use this. Did I seriously just get the first one? Oh, we're in business, boys. We're in business. Did I get anything for here? I literally have no buffs for here. Let's fight him. Stupid aphid. Die! Yes, thank you. Now please just freaking give me my strawberries. I need my strawberries. Please, give me. Oh my god, this kid came in here to save the day. Honestly, I'm gonna have to say thanks. Thank you. Thank you for helping me pop these things, bro. I hate these things so much. Did you see that? Let's try blank. Oh my god! Oh my god, I really need strawberries, bro. Thank you so much. Dude, whoever this is, if you're watching this video, thank you. Zly0127. That's his name. Zly0127. Just like to say my thanks because yeah. So yeah, I think that's it. How many did I get though? Oh, I'm rubbing my eyes. Oh, wait, I get it then. It only cost 30 million. No way. Click. I equipped it. That looks so cool. But I really need my blue. Oh, I only have 62 blueberries. Guiding star! No freaking way! Bruh. What? Guiding star! Bro, guiding star. No way! I'm getting this lucky, got that. That's a moon surprise. Well, dude! Just absolutely destroying it! Okay. Holy god. First of all, how am I getting this? Give me everything. Okay, second of all, I really need this. 8 blueberries. 72 blueberries. You know what? I'll take 72 blueberries. You know? You know you just have all that stuff in life? You'll take anything. You know? Like you have all that stuff. It's looking really good and stuff. Yeah, you'll just take anything. Oh, wait a minute. I have use for this. Can you imagine what it'll be like if I go up there with both? Oh my god. And I have this. Rubby. Wakey, eggs and bakey. What? Bruh, I'm already getting a lot. Wait, how much boost does this give me though? How much of it? I know I'm all over the place, but it costs a lot though. That's so good though. Bro, if only I had the moon charms to do that. Dude, if only I had the moon charms to do that. Bro, what is that? What is that? Oh, we didn't get this thing done. Let's go a slack. But how am I gonna get all that? I keep feeding these to my bees, so I need to stop feeding them to my bees. Obviously, I already have a moon amulet because that was what I did when the moon charms first came out. I started grinding for an amulet and I got it. Obviously, my moon amulet's pretty bad because I don't even try to bother to get 100 anymore. I just try to bother for like 52 and then I feed them. Dude, I want to use that 1 mil code again, bro. That was so good. But I also have another super smoothie. Kennedy just left the party. I don't know if y'all can see that, but looking for my super smoothie. I might drink this. I might drink it so I can get 100 mil. And then swap. Oh yeah, that's right, I can. It costs so much. It has to cost so much. But, you know what I can get? Maybe not. Purple potion, super smoothie. I want to use the super smoothie. Like right now. I want to use it. How? Well, I have like 4 million capacity. That's times 2 my capacity. So usually my capacity is 2 million, but yeah. Why are the blue things so expensive, bro? Why are the blue things so expensive? Like, I've tried so much to get the blue things, but they're so expensive. Like, I don't know. They just cost so much, guys. Million upon millions. Now, I'm kind of debating if I should use my super smoothie, guys. So in the I would like to see some comments. If the comments are even turned on. Half my videos are not. But I would really like if my comments would have like suggestions if I should put in my super smoothie, maybe some game suggestions, like stuff like that. Like if the comments are turned on, put in some game suggestions because I would really like to hear what you guys want me to play. Also, check past comments. I might have hearted them. I saw that this one kid has been watching. One kid, I don't even know how old he is, but he's been watching me. I know it's a he. Checked out their YouTube channel. Their one video was just like I want to make a video before something, but yeah. Maybe you should leave a comment down below. You've been watching me for over a year now. It's been a year and 3 months, so yeah, I would really like what you have to say. Also, shout out to Bee Swarm Wiki. I mean, I know it's not a sponsor or anything. I just looked at this site and I found all of this. There are 5M members. Oh yeah, that's right, that's the one that didn't work. But, Red Market, I need that, Cubbly. I want Cubbly, I want to do Cubbly because I think that Cubbly would be cool. No, resume. But it's cuddly. Okay, let me type that in. You have already redeemed it. Crap. Okay, well that's probably how I get super good at this game. I just do codes after codes. But super smoothies are so good. It's all about super smoothies. But I think that 4,500 pack should just be dedicated to super smoothies. Just 700 super smoothies. Because, like, no, like, everybody just go in. Just say, like, on it, I know those super overpowered codes. Can I please have more than one? Like, if Onnit's watching this, or if somebody, like, knows Onnit's watching this, which is highly doubtful, but, yeah, if they're watching this, please let me use, those, like, codes over and over again. Like, it's very, very cool to have a bunch of codes like that. Like, very cool to have so many codes, but yeah, these are real. Like, if I want to keep making this honey money, I'm gonna need some support. So I'm gonna need some support from you guys. So basically, yeah. So, if anyone knows any other codes that are very OP, just put it down in the description. I mean, not description. God dang it. But comments, because I will read it. Crap. Okay. What ones did I get? Got Rosefield. I'm looking for the ones that have 2 or something in them. It's cactus, mushroom, bamboo, clover. The cactus is dead, yeah. But yeah. Let's just get this, and then I'll go over to bamboo. Maybe, I don't know. Let's see how bad I am. Let's look at how bad I am and look how... Yeah, so bad. So I'm only getting 2,000 per. So let's go over to, like, Rosefield. Yeah, let's go over to Rosefield. I'm gonna make the bluebees pet. Holy God! What's happened there? Oh, yeah, you. You guys. So yeah, if you guys, like I said, know someone that knows On Air, or like if you guys know On Air or something like that, please, or just go onto his Roblox page right now, spam, what was the code again? Spam, we want code. Oh my God, I can't find it. gonna do my Discord 100k though. I'm gonna do it. 1Mlikes, 1Mlikes, that code right there. That code. Do that code. Spam that code in his Roblox feed. Say we want that code over and over. Like we want that code endlessly because that is. I'm sorry. That's one honey. That's one honey. Band. What? Band. That's stubborn, you know. So let's go over to Discord 100k. I want that. Well, guess what? All you have to do, go over here. Click back into your tab. Go over here. What did it say again? Huh? Discord 100k. Well, all you gotta do is go over here. All you have to do, Discord 100k. And then what will you get? Nothing, because I already redeemed it. Okay, look around again. Oh. Band? I don't know. Barrymore, Cupley, Roblox app, Teespring. Oh, I want that. Let's see if I have it. Teespring. Whatever. I want that. Boom. Also, if you want to make it look like you have an absolute gamer profile, I suggest getting the, like, these ones. Stubborn bee. I don't have a stubborn bee, apparently. So, should I go over and use my stubborn bee jelly? I think so. Let's go. I want a guaranteed stubborn bee for... baby bee. I wonder what it's gonna be. Either way, stubborn bees aren't that good, so let's just... Oh, it goes exactly away, okay. Just gotta keep using this. It's epic. Okay, epic, why not? No, but why does it go away? I hate those, bro. Oh. These I already have it gifted, I'm pretty sure. Was that gifted? Probably not. No, it was mutated. But seriously, guys, like, oh yeah. Oh! Dang, that one's green! I want that one then. Why is that green? Like, guys, why is that green? 46,000? 10 million? Am I reading that correctly, guys? Does that say 10 million? How crazy does this get? How crazy do codes get? I really want more codes. Guys, also ask on it if he could release more codes because we need more of these we need more of these good codes. Like, come on. We need more. Not these bad codes, these good codes. Look at this! Like, guys, I've spent a long time in this game, and I know that if you spend money, you're not gonna get a long way. So just get your codes, because the codes are free, and the free codes are always the best codes, so get them. Yeah, because like, why would you not want codes? Like, come on, they're free. F-R-E-E, free. Don't fight. Just go get your codes, because the codes you need. Like, I needed codes, and I'm really good at the game. Like, look, over here, you got your codes. Use, like, say, sure. I'll literally go in here and say, oh, I want a code card. Sure. Look at that. Conversion boost as well. Look at all this. Guys, like, you're kidding me. Like, these codes are amazing. Even the bad codes, like, the bad codes can turn out to be really good in the future. Like, say, marshmallow. Marshmallow would be in 1 hour conversion. Yeah. Actually, that's insane. Like, that's not at all a good example. Like, marshmallow is actually insane. You already redeemed it. I mean, I remember redeeming it, so why did I even try it? Gumdrops for science. That may look bad, but maybe you want a gummy bee. Secret profile code. See, because these never go away. So, these are insane. So, secret profile code. Secret profile code. Look at that, guys. Oil, glue. Oh, they activate them for me. Oh, what about the glue? What does the glue do? Pollen from bees, pollen from tools, okay. Bee move speed. Okay, so I have bee move speed and also pollen. Well, bee move speed, my move speed, and pollen, so that sounds pretty good. Dude, I have the craziness on my tools. Like, this is crazy, guys. Always use your codes. Always. Like, I could just easily keep going to that code wiki and just, like, look at this, okay? Going back to the code wiki to get another code. What one do I want? Club bean. Yeah, club bean. Let's go over there. Club bean. Look at that, guys. Look at that. More code. I can't stress enough. This is all of that. Like, this really is all of that in a bag of Doritos. Like, maybe I want, See, because I'm gonna take this when I have coconut, obviously. But 1M like this is really good. On a scheme shirtless. Bees, Miss Bees. Oh my god. Okay. Codes. Like I can just keep clicking on codes. Like just refresh my page here. More codes. Like maybe I wanna refresh or something. I don't know. I get 5 minutes, 10 coconuts. I get 5 inspire. 3 stingers, which is actually insane. 5M members. I want to use this one. 5M members. Yep, invalid. It only says invalid. So, I never get a valid 5M members. But look at this. Look at this. Like, come on, my convert rate. My just regular dude, these are my regular stats. But this is my total right now. So look, okay, this is my convert rate usually, and this is my convert total right now. Dude, and also 1,070. Which basically means that's multiplied by 3. No, it's not. That didn't go up. Why am I only getting like 10,000 per that? I think it's back to normal. Because like I'm getting nothing. Should I use it, guys? Super smoothie. It's getting 20 minutes. I really want to use it, guys, because I'm super low on stats. I'm not gonna use it. I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna use that in tomorrow's video. Yep. I'm gonna use it in tomorrow's video. I really hope that's a Valentine's Day thing. Like, if there's any Valentine's Day thing, like, I really hope there's Valentine's Day packs and stuff, because I would love to see that. Get it? Valentine's Day? Love. I get it. Anything blue in a honey storm, I go through. Because look, it could be a ticket. And look, I could get another one of these. And speaking of these, use. Okay, well, this is kind of dog dookie. But we can't be sure, because there could be like 15,000 jellies in it. Like, we can't be sure. I can't save all of this. Where did that come from? I'm sorry for screaming, but did you see how much I just got? garden just now. Okay. Level 9? How is this level 9? Taken out fairly easily. I would love some more stingers, please. Oh, yeah. I forgot about that. No. Oh no, the tornadoes follow you. I didn't know that. Bruh, 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 bruh. Dude, that's so annoying. Die! You stupid bee with wings. Even though all bees have wings. I mean, some bees don't, because some bees have died. But, okay. All of this? Bruh. Tickets? Bruh, that's amazing! Shocked bee jelly. 54. Be equipped case. Yeah, equipped. But gumdrops and stuff? Oh, bruh. Oh, I don't have any red flowers in here. Well, it's the spider field. Of course, I don't have any red flowers. Guys, let's check some more code, shall we? It's about an hour, and I usually stop my videos at hours, so after this code, I'm gonna get off. What one can we use, guys? I think we've used all of them. Three, 8, 2, 1, 7. 3, 8, 2, 1, 7. 3, 8, 2, 1, 7. 3, 8, 2, 1, 7. You're already redeemed. Okay, well, guys, I'm gonna end it here. I can't redeem it, but I tend to keep my videos over an hour. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna grab some soup, I'm gonna watch some YouTube, and yeah, see y'all next time. Peace.